Well, good morning, good morning. Today's a good day, right, Baxter? If you guys don't know, this is Baxter. He's a little turd that barks all the time. I just want to start the day saying today we're going to talk about community and how to build your own community. So we're really big on community and trying to build a community yourself, and unfortunately when we first moved out to the property we're at, we didn't know anybody, we didn't know anything about anyone here, and so we had no community. And then our neighbors over there, Tom and Rhonda, we got to know them pretty quick, and we're like, alright, this is a cool place, I think this might be pretty awesome. And then our neighbor down the street came and helped us mow because we didn't have a lawnmower, we didn't have anything, and we're like, alright, this might be a good community. But we never really went outside of this little area where we're at. And so we're just like, man, the community here is very slim. There's just not a lot going on here. And so we wanted to start to build our own community and start to get where we wanted to be. And so we actually came across some people. They have a YouTube channel. They're called the Urban Homesteaders, and they live up the street from us. And we started talking to them through, you know, YouTube and Facebook and stuff. And so we're starting to build a community with them. We're going to give them some of our quill. You know, they're starting their homesteading journey, and so if we can give back to them, that's great. And then they give back to us with all the support, and so that's awesome community. There's another guy, he stopped by and our house and he watches us and he's like, funny story, my brother lives up the street, I've been driving by your house since you moved it in and I just wanted to stop and say hi. He gave us a whole bunch of tools that he didn't really need anymore, and so we got a whole lot of, you know, gardening tools and stuff like that from him, and so that's freaking awesome. And so, you know, this community that we're starting to build is really, really awesome. He even offered to come bring us some hay that he had because he knows we live on a small little homestead here and it would help out a lot. And so this is just a crazy thing that's been going on. But you can also build community outside of your house. You can do it online, and so I guess we can talk about that. The awesome part of building a community online is you don't have to be stuck in your area. You can meet people all over the world. You can meet people all over the world, and we think that is super cool, and that's why we started the Crocker Homestead family Facebook group. And so we just got an email from a girl named Cindy, and she'd been having issues trying to get a community and stuff like that, or get into a community. And so we invited her into the group, and I'm hoping that you guys that are in there will do a good welcome to her and show her that what community, you know, what our community is really about. And we just want to help people and help others, and, you know, that rooster ain't helping nothing. But we just want to help each other get where we want to be. And there are different little cliques in the homesteading community, as you guys know, and that's fine. Find the community that fits right for you. Sometimes you fit in one, sometimes you fit in another, sometimes you fit in both. Whatever works best for you guys. Don't let anyone tell you anything different. Just find the community that works for you. And, you know, we're trying to build one for us, and we're trying to build one for like-minded people. And so we're hoping that we can get there one day, and it's gonna slowly build, but so far it's getting there and we're super happy with it. But for now, we gotta go feed these guys. Well, as soon as I was done feeding the animals, I talked to my neighbor Tom over there. He was fixing his fence and stuff, and looks like his mower's messed up. He had got 2 lawnmowers, they messed up. So speaking of community, that's what I told him. You're lucky you got some neighbors that like to mow. So we're gonna go mow his yard later, but that's the community you gotta build, guys, is you need to help each other out. You need to help the people locally, and you need to help people online as well. Just keep it the community that you guys want. And as you guys can see, we wear other people's shirts, other YouTubers, and it's all about sticking together and supporting each other. Who are these people?
This is from Blackberry Ridge. They have a YouTube channel, and they made these for a few YouTubers that were at the Dutch and Arms meetup, as you can see.
Look at that. Arms family and gardening with Leon and keeping it Dutch. They all did this, not even a meet and greet. I'm gonna say it was an event.
It was an event, for sure.
Very much so. They did, you know, giveaways. They did classes on how to teach people how to garden. They showed garden tours. I mean, they did everything. They gave away a 4-wheeler. They gave away a cruise, like all sorts of stuff. And so, you know, the community that these guys are building are, you supported us, we're gonna support you.
So we wanted to just say that if you want to support the YouTube channels that you guys watch, just watching the ads is a great way to support YouTube channels without having to actually spend any money.
You may or may not know this, that's how YouTubers get paid, is you watch the ad before the video, or if it pops up in the video, and if there's like 100 ads in the video, you can skip 1 or 2, it's not gonna hurt. You know, and if it's like 15 minutes, don't watch 15 minutes, just watch, I don't know how many, I don't know, watch as much as you can handle. A lot of people I know that they talk about it or whatever, they just hit mute, go on, and then whenever they hear or whenever they see our video come up, then they unmute it and watch it. But
that's what I do.
Yeah, I do the same thing.
I didn't even know that that's like how it worked before until like after we started our YouTube channel. Like I had no idea. Even for like a year or two, we still didn't know.
We never hit the subscribe button. We never hit the notification button. We never watch ads. And now I feel guilty. But so we want to tell you guys, this does not apply just for us. This applies for everyone across the board. I don't care who it is on YouTube. If you support them, if you hit the subscribe button and the notification button, and most of all, watch the ads, you are supporting these people without spending a dime, but that's how they can get paid, so they can spend the time to create these videos.
Yeah, one of my favorite YouTube channels that I like to support by watching her ads is Sydney Cummings, and she just hit...
Who's that?
I do her workouts. She is a personal trainer, but the cool thing about her is that you don't have to necessarily pay for her programs. She puts her workouts on YouTube. You can pay for her other stuff, but she does it to where no matter what, everyone can use her programs because of YouTube. And so I like to support her by watching her ads. Yeah,
and then there's people that do like Amazon affiliate links. We just signed up for this. We don't know a whole lot about it. Like we literally just found out about
we had people asking what ours is, and we were like, well, I don't know, we don't have one.
Yeah, well, they kept saying like an Amazon thing, and I was like an Amazon wish list? Like, I'm not about to put this list out for people to buy us stuff. And they're like, no, like an Amazon affiliate link. And we're just like, well, what is that? And apparently, this is how it goes. My arm's getting tired. You know what? Let me put you on the tripod real quick. So my arms feel a lot better now. I don't have to hold the camera. So as we were saying about the Amazon affiliate links, again, we had no clue how this worked. And apparently,
I've never been on live television before.
If you click, like, let's just say you guys are like, oh, wow, what kind of camera do the Crockers use? And so you go down in the description, we put a link. If you click on it and you buy it, then we get a percentage at no cost to you.
Other than them buying it.
Yeah, other than you buying it. You ain't paying any extra because of that. But we didn't know this. If you click on the link and if you shop for anything, say you want to buy toilet paper, toothpaste, and socks in that order, you could search all that, and within 24 hours of clicking on the link, whatever you buy for 24 hours from that link goes to that channel. So that goes for any channel. So if you support Keeping It Dutch, go to his affiliate links, watch his ads. If you watch Arms Family, do the same thing. If you watch the live giraffe babies having babies, pregnant stuff, you know what I'm talking about, those live things that you can watch. If they have links or ads, watch it because you support it. And it's like a TV show. You watch them on TV and you watch the ads, and that's how they get paid. And so YouTube is the same way. And we're telling you all this because that's your community. You want to watch these people, whether you're learning something or entertainment, or you just think they're so dumb, but you want to watch it, like the Kardashians. Support them and watch the ads. And, you know, we do the same thing now for all the, you know, our favorite channels that we watch when we actually get time to watch YouTube. We think it's a great opportunity for people, you know, that are creating these things to support them because we don't have a lot of money. We don't make a lot of money. This is our job. And so it's like we don't make a lot of money, so we can't go support people by buying all this stuff. So we watch the ads and we support them, and you can share it on Facebook and Instagram and like their stuff, because the more you like and the more you do of their stuff, you're putting them out there to the world and you're helping them out. So earlier I was telling you guys about our family page, the group or whatever. I think we have, what, 700 people-ish
close.
We have about 700 people on there, and we're going to keep a very, very close eye on that community page or whatever for our family page. And we call it family because we do want to get to know you guys, and that's why we created it. And so, you know, that's just kind of community we're trying to build, is something that, you know, you can get on there and you can just say, hey, I'm having an awesome day today. I hope you're having an awesome day. Or you could say, hey, I need some gardening tips, or I'm building my house. How can it, whatever you guys want to talk about, you know, we put on there. And then Jaylena just came up with a great idea, and we started a
Support Sundays.
Support Sunday. And so if you're a YouTube channel and you're watching, we want to promote you guys.
Or like if you anything, like if you want to promote your social media sites or, you know, your YouTube channels, like that's the day that, you know, we create a specific thread and everyone can comment their stuff, so that way it's all in one place and there's no confusion and we can all check each other's stuff out.
Yeah, and that way it's a community and you're supporting each other. This is not a competition. I know a lot of people, especially when it comes to YouTube, it's a very big competition, and a lot of people think, well, I'm not going to support you because then I'm gonna lose my subscribers. They're gonna go to you.
And it's like, that's not how. No.
Yeah, not at all. There's billions of people in this world, and there is an audience for everyone. And the thing is most of you guys know this. You don't watch just our channel. You probably have like 20 different channels that you watch every day, and so it's like there's plenty of people to go around and to help each other, and that's what we wanted to create in this family group, and especially the Support Sundays. We want you guys to get, you know, the same feeling that we get from, you know, our subscribers and our family is what we call them. You know, it's unreal, and to know that, you know, we get support like that, that'd be selfish to keep it to ourselves. Like, that's just super selfish. So we want to promote you guys, and that's the community that we're trying to build.
So I do just want to say that if you ever have a question, or if you just have something you'd like to say to us, please do not ever hesitate to reach out, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or our emails or in the comments below. So if you do reach out to us, we will do our very, very best to respond to you, and sometimes it can take a few days, but I promise you guys that we will get to it. Lately,
we've been getting a bunch of emails, and I'm not even sure how they get our email address, but y'all are figuring it out.
I think Instagram maybe.
But y'all are sending us emails, and sometimes it goes to like the spam folder because we don't know your email address and stuff like that. And so we're slowly getting to them, and, you know, and messages. If you guys are on Facebook, don't send them to our personal pages. We actually try not to get on our personal pages. That's why we created the family group.
We really just keep our Facebook pages so that we can keep the group.
Pretty much, realistically. And so, yeah, we just want to say that and say thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for supporting the other channels that we support and have become friends with. You know, we would be nothing without each other. And the fact that, you know, and I'm just going to, you know, put it out there because it's true, you know, lately, we became really good friends with Arms Family, Homestead, and Keeping It Dutch. And so if you haven't watched them, please go watch them, subscribe. Like, those guys have took us under their wing. I mean, it's crazy. Like, I talk to Dutch like almost every day, and I message Arms, and we love watching their videos. They watch our videos. We comment. We talk trash to each other. It's just fun. You know, I just want to say thank you to them, you know, for really, really believing in us and taking us under their wing and letting us join their community. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching. Everything you need to know about us is down in the description if you're trying to get a hold of us and stuff like that. And we hope you guys have a great day, and tomorrow we'll probably do something a little cooler. Maybe we'll make up for today and try to catch a chicken and a turkey at the same time, and then jump in a puddle and then throw eggs at Jaylena.
Or we could just talk about, you know, our plans for our tiny house, possibly.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. You're going to have to stick around. So thanks, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow.